Hey everybody, how y'all doing today? Back at the vlogging. So today we are in front of HPD Bronx because that's what we got. And I'm here to discuss today HPD mold violations. I'm going to give you the walkthrough of how it works and how we get it done. At ABC Environmental, we don't just do the paperwork and mail it to HPD. We actually physically drop off the paperwork on HPD, and we physically drop off the paperwork and we get it stamped. This way we know they got it. So I'm going to walk through the process right now. I'm actually in front of the building in the Bronx, and I will keep you posted. Okay, after we enter the building, we're going to go to the third floor and we're going to step into the office. We just got here. I'm going to wait to speak to somebody. This is the office right here. And the last step is we get it stamped. So if you're a property manager, building manager, anything like that, and you get mold violations and you want it removed, feel free to contact us. We'll gladly help you out. As you can see the process, we take you step by step. We hold your hand for any violations, not just mold, lead, and it could be any violations. We can help you clear up your building. Have a great day. Hey, everybody.